Use AI to boost your credit score. Hi there, I'm Dolores with John Watkins Mortgage Lender. John asked me to share how you can improve your credit score easily using AI. Here's how to use ChatGPT to help improve your credit score. And yes, this is completely legit. First, you need to obtain a copy of your credit report. You can get this free at annualcreditreport.com to access reports from all 3 major credit bureaus. Next, go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Act as an expert credit repair specialist. I will upload my credit report for each negative item. Generate an aggressive, legally compliant dispute letter using the strongest law. Cite specific violations and legal codes. Prioritize verifiable, inaccurate, outdated, or incomplete information. Demand permanent deletion. Letters should be professional and firm. Before you provide the letters, review the report and ask me any questions that would help you. Don't worry, John will post this script in the comments. Then, upload your credit report copy and let the AI work for you. It will identify potential issues and create customized dispute letters for each negative item. Next, mail these letters to the specific dispute address for each bureau. If you don't want to leave your couch, just use DocuPost to send them electronically. This method works because credit bureaus are required by law to investigate disputes within 30 days, and if they can't verify the information, it must be removed. Share this video with someone who wants a higher credit score.